And last but not least, the 2014 Chevrolet Corvette Z51 2LT Stingray coupe. That's a long name. Cyber gray metallic over gray, 31,150 something actual miles. 6.2 liter LT1 V8. I don't know what the horsepower on those. I can imagine it's 450, 500. Tremec 7-speed manual.
It is a 7-speed manual.
Yeah, and this is a pampered ride, and it's got target tops, 2 of them.
2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's a lot of shifting. I know. I looked at the shifter yesterday after seeing this, and I'm like, wow, that's a lot.
And 2 target tops, 1 glass and one steel.
That's right, 2 top car.